Hey, it's James from Active, and if you followed us for any sort of time, you know we take user feedback very seriously. The Active 2.0 is proof of what's possible when a community shapes a product, and the 2026 version brings the biggest changes we've made yet. We have about 5 years of feedback for the Active 2.0, and we've incorporated some of it along the way, including making it rebuildable. But this update goes further than anything before it. Some of you told us the machine would shift when you press the trigger. Others wanted a way to bolt it down to our Active wall mount. Both are now solved. All Active 2.0s now come with a new stand designed for extra stability, no movement during use. And for those who want to secure it to the wall mount or our upcoming detailing cart, the feet have mounting holes on the bottom. It's completely optional though, the machine is still stable on its own. But the new feet will also be available for previous versions of the Active 2.0 once inventory arrives. Another piece of consistent feedback is that you guys weren't happy with the stock accessories, and many of you just wanted the machine on its own. When we originally included accessories, the thinking was that the 2.0 should come ready to use out of the box. But after reading your feedback and seeing how customers were using the product, a few things became clear. A lot of you were throwing the stock accessories out and replacing them with aftermarket options anyway. Many just wanted the machine and nothing else. And a lot of you wanted a complete washing station with our premium wall mount and premium accessories. We've redesigned the lineup around 3 basic options. We have the Active 2.0 DIY starter kit. The long gun has been replaced with a swivel gun and lance, and the hose is now 40 feet and steel braided, and that's twice the original length. It also includes 3 guard nozzles and a shower nozzle. A solid starting point for anyone washing their own car, regardless of your experience level. The Active 2.0 tool only, just the machine, the new stand, and updated nozzles. It's perfect if you want to build your own custom setup from scratch. Finally, the Active 2.0 wall detailing setup, and it's the best value in the lineup because you're getting a complete washing station. The Active 2.0, the wall mount, and our premium accessories including a foam cannon, lance, swivel gun, and 50-foot hose. Of course, a longer hose option is also available. Similar bundles are going to be made available for the 2.3 and 3.0, and a detailing cart bundle is coming up when we launch that setup. You can find all of them at activeproducts.com under bundle and save. You tell us, what other bundles or new products would you like to see from Active? Let us know in the comments.